Welcome guys. In this part I'll set up the Nginx server and configure it to use PHP FPM. So first sudo apt-get update, and now make sure you don't have apache installed, otherwise it will cause conflict with Nginx. So sudo apt-get remove apache to star. We don't have anything, that's fine, and then install Nginx. Okay, and Nginx is installed. Now if you are using any UFW firewall running on your system, then you will need to allow the connection to Nginx. So sudo UFW allow Nginx HTTP. But remember, we are actually not using UFW cause DigitalOcean provides a nice looking graphical user interface for firewalls, just to make sure. And next we are configuring the PHP processor. There is a very small changes required in the php.ini file. It's located in etc php 7.2 fpm php.ini, and we are actually looking for a file named CGI fix path info. Then let's search with fix path info. Well, that's already said. I think I have previously done it, but in your case most likely it will be like this. So what we have to do is remove this semicolon, put it to 0, and control save it as same file. Done. And just make a restart. ctl start php 7.2 fpm. Let's check the status. This php 7.2 fpm status. Perfect, it's actively running. And now we'll configure the Nginx to be able to use the first CGI process manager. So we'll edit a file, and where it's located? It's located in sudo nano /etc nginx sites available default. This is probably the file. Yep. And this is actually Nginx server block. This is how it uses. Default server, fine. But we need to change. The first thing to change is add index.php after the index, and as we are now not using any domain, no DNS, we're just using our IP, so I'll just keep my IP in here. But if you already have pointed your domain, just give it the domain name. And next we'll uncomment this part so that it can use the PHP FPM. Uncomment this line, and this change it to your PHP version. What else? This also needs to be uncommented. I think we're done. Let's see. This is the root file for www.html. Okay, let's do okay, first let's check for any error in syntax in Nginx. Sudo nginx-t. This just gives us the information that everything is okay in the Nginx setup. Everything is fine, perfect. What to do? Let's reload it. Good. Now let's go to the root directory. It is var www.html, and we have one file default by Nginx. I don't need that. rm.html. I probably need a sudo. Okay, now create a new file, php file. Let's make it php info, so we can check everything how it's working. We do have it. Now let's check our server once again. Perfect. We actually do have a running web server. That's amazing. PHP server 2.3. You can see we are using FPM, the first CGI. Everything is perfect. So if you were looking for how to set up a LEMP stack in a complete fresh new virtual private server, probably you already do have the solution. And in our future videos we'll see I'll install Composer, Laravel, and let's see how we can work with them. So thank you guys, thanks for watching.